Isn't it? Last week that we have seen the mental math. So we are going to start same only. The remaining children we are going to conduct now. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Reading marathon, ma'am told no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Reading marathon.
Not mental math. Verna, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Afterwards, you can conduct the reading marathon, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Before 10 minutes, when shall we start that one?
Okay, ma'am.
By 45, that means 11:45, up to
Okay.
11:45.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I call the children? Get ready now. From 3C, Aditya Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya Ashwin. Yes, ma'am. Aditya, just read my question now. Yes. The place value of 2 in 2693. What is the place value of the 1000? Very good. That means you have to say that is a 2000.
2000,
Isn't it?
ma'am.
Very good, Aditya. Okay, Arun Mitra, 3D. 3D Arun Mitra. Swarna ma'am. Swarna
Yes,
Lata ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, will you call the name from that?
Yes, ma'am. I will. Reverse, I will call. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yukesh, 3D.
Okay.
Yukesh, 3D.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mukesh. What is the place value of the digit in 9471? 7. What is the place value of 7 in 9471?
Ma'am, thanks, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Thanks.
What is the
Thanks.
tens? Very good. 70 tens. Very good, Kana. Okay, Krish. Thank you.
Devarsh,
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Devash.
Yes, ma'am.
Devash. Okay, Devash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The sum of 5000 plus 3000 is the sum of
8000.
5000 plus 3000 is
8000.
very good. Very good, Devash.
Sayed Fahad.
Okay, the next one.
Sayed Fahad.
Syed. Syed.
Okay, Sugan. Sugan, 3C.
Suhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Suhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out the successor. Yes, listen my question now. Find out the successor of 6794. Find out the successor of 6794.
6795. Bang answer soon.
Very good, Suhan. Very good, Suhan.
Not
Can you
voice.
Question is free.
Question.
can you mute? Vishali, can you mute now? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sudarshan is free.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sudarshini, get my question now. Dash as no predecessor. Dash as no predecessor. Which number does not have predecessor?
0.
Very good, Sudarshini Sri. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the next one, ma'am.
Sivaruban.
Sivaruban. Okay. Listen to my question, Sivaruban. Form the greatest 4-digit number. 7, 3, 2, 4. You have to make the form the 4. Are you getting now? Greatest 4-digit number. Now I'm going to give the digits there. 7, 3, 2, 4.
7, 3, 2, 7.
4. From this, you have to make greatest 4-digit number.
7, 4, 3.
3. Standard form. How should say that one? Very good. But standard form, how should you have to be? What is the term that we have to use? What is the standard form of that number?
7,432.
Very good, Sivarupan. Very good. Very good. The next one.
Shauvik. And then Shanmita.
Get ready,
Shauvik.
children.
Shauvik, Shanmita. Shauvik, are you ready? Otherwise,
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
call Sanmita. Yeah, Sanmita is there, ma'am.
Okay, Sanmita. Okay, Sanmita, get my question now. In addition, there are 2 types of addition, isn't it? What are they?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they?
With grouping, without regrouping.
Okay. Okay. With regrouping, what we will do?
With
With
regrouping
regroup.
means
Yes.
we will carry over.
Very
Not
good.
carry
Very good,
over,
Sanmita.
ma'am.
Very good, Sanmita. Very good. Okay, can you mute now?
Shauvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Shauvik. 3D.
3D.
No, ma'am, he is not coming. Okay, I will call Sanjana Sri.
Sanjana. Sanjana Shri 3C.
Screen is not clear, ma'am.
I'm not showing any on my screen now, Litika. Okay, now Sanjana Shri.
Ma'am?
Get the question, Sanjana. In addition, if you change the order of the numbers, what will be the answer? If you change the order of the number, what will be the answer? Property.
Same number, ma'am.
Huh? Is there any change will be there?
No.
Yeah? No, because if you change the order of the numbers addend 1 as well as addend 2, so the remaining answer will be the same only if you change the order of the addends. Okay? Very good, Sanjana. Very good.
Sainath.
The next one. Sainath. Sainath. 3C Sainath.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Sainath. Get my question now. Find out the predecessor of 2463. 2463. Find out the predecessor. Two 2463. Find out the predecessor for that.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I'll call someone. Yes, ma'am. Get Sainath. For the Sainath, are you there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, Sainath. Okay, now tell me, find out the successor of 2463. What will you do? To find the successor of 2463. So to find the successor of given number, you have to add +1 to that given number. Got it? If you would like to get the predecessor of the given number, you have to subtract 1. Got it, Sainath? Now will you give the answer? Sainath? Yes, Sainath? Did you get the concept of the successor as well as predecessor now? Sainath?
I will call the next one. Vishali.
Yes, ma'am. Vishali?
Ma'am.
Sainath,
Vishali?
mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mobile, ma'am. Vishali? Vishali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vishali. Find out the predecessor of 2465.
Ma'am, tell the question again, ma'am.
2465. Find out the predecessor of given number.
2464.
Very good.
Think
So what we
Sainath.
have to do? Subtract 1. Sainath?
Ma'am.
Sainath.
Sainath has given the
Ma'am.
answer for that?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sainath. Now did you know how to do that one? Sainath?
Successor means
Very good. Tell me. Yes, tell me, ma.
success means we put we should
And
add.
+1. Yes, +1 to that given number.
We should less.
Wait, subtract 1. -1. Very good, Sainath. Very good. Vishali, are you there? No, Vishali is there? Okay, thank you, Sainath. Can you mute your mobile now?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Vishali. is there. Vishali.
Vishali is there. Yes, Vishali. Now, can you give the answer for that successor of given number 4275?
4276.
Very good, Vishali. Very good, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Next one.
Yeah, we do it.
What, ma'am?
We do it, ma'am. With the
Vidyut? Vidyut? 3D Vidyut?
Ma'am.
Is Vidyut? In subtraction, what are the terms we used? In subtraction.
Subtraction. Difference.
Minuend, subtrahend,
Subtrahend.
minus subtrahend, difference.
Difference.
Okay, what is the answer? So you said now minuend, subtrahend and difference. Which one is the answer term there? Very good, difference. Okay, very good, Vidyut. Okay, the next one,
Sivapriya.
Sivapriya.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Sivapriya? Subtract mean. What is mean by
Take away.
subtraction? Take away. Yeah, to take a number
away.
from
Difference.
another number,
away a number.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct only. Yes. Okay, tell me now. There are two ways of writing subtraction, isn't it? Do you know that part? What are the two ways? What are the two ways?
Borrowing and without borrowing.
That are two types of subtraction. I'm asking how that we used to write in the horizontal way as well as vertical way we used to write the subtraction. Okay, now, okay, with Sivapriya, listen my question. So now we have seen the terms in the subtraction, minuend and subtrahend, isn't it? Okay, the number, which one is the greater, minuend or subtrahend? Which one is the greater number? Minuend, very good. So from that only that we are going to subtract the, which one? Number. That is called the subtrahend. Very good. Very good, Sivapriya. Okay, the next one.
Sarveshwar, ma'am.
Sarveshwar.
Next, Haradaya.
Sarveshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarveshwar. Just subtract now. 2,750 subtract 250. What will be the answer? What will be the difference? 2,750 subtract 250. What is the difference? What, ma?
Say, ma'am.
I can't get Sarveshwar.
Say again, ma'am.
Say
Okay,
again.
okay. 2,750 subtract 250. Find the difference.
2,500.
So 2,500 is difference. Very good, Sarveshwar. Mind
Aradhya.
calculation,
Thank you,
one,
ma'am.
isn't it? Yes. Okay, Aradhya. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya. Subtract 5,500 minus 2,000.
3,500, ma'am.
3,500 difference. Very good, Aradhya.
Voice is echoing, ma'am.
Mastan.
The next one. Mastan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mastan. Yes, Mastan. Multiplication.
Good
Mastan,
morning.
get my question now. Okay, in multiplication, instead of adding the same number several times, what is the easiest? Okay, ma. Okay, get my question next one. What is multiplication? What is multiplication?
Repeated
Multiplication
addition,
is repeated addition. Okay, very good. 32 multiplied by 2.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can I? No, Mastan, listen. 32
Mastan, wait.
multiplied by 2. Mastan?
Yes, ma'am.
32 multiplied by 2. What is the product?
ma'am. 64, ma'am.
31.
64,
Get my
ma'am.
question. Get my question. 31 multiplied by 2. Is it 64? 31 multiplied by 2. 60?
62,
What will be
ma'am.
correct? Very good. 62. Very good, Kanna. Okay,
Yes,
Mastan,
ma'am.
can you mute now?
Yeshwant. Next one,
Yeshwant?
Revant Sharma. Yeshwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishwar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishwar. Okay, in multiplication, any number multiplied by 0, what will be the product?
0.
Any number multiplied by 0, what will be the product? 0 only. Okay, now give me the okay, 1,000 multiplied by 2. Very good. So what is the 1000 day? Term of the 1000 day. We know the terms which one we used in the multiplication, isn't it? So 1000 multiplied by 2, you said 2000. That is correct only. What are the terms we use for the 1000 day? You know that, Yashwant? Yashwant, do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. 1000 is multiplicand, isn't it? Multiply by 2 is a multiplier. So what is the product? 2000.
Product.
Okay, Yashwant, can you mute now? Yes, Kana, can you mute now?
Revant Sharma.
Raven Sharma. Raven Sharma. Please see Raven
Sukritan,
Sharma.
are you ready? Okay, ma'am, he is not coming. Okay, Sukritan.
Sukirtan. 3C Sukirtan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sukirtan. Yashwant said that any number multiplied by 0, he said the answer will be the product will be the 0 only. Can you give any example for that?
0 multiplied by 2, 0.
0 multiplied by 2.
0.
Any number multiplied by 0. That means 2 multiplied by 0. Any number by 0. What will be the answer? What will be the product? 0
Same
only. Very
number.
good, Sukirtan. No, Kanna. 0 only. Isn't it? Is it correct only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sukirtan. Okay, can you mute now?
Revant Sharma, are you ready?
Raven Sharma.
Okay, ma'am. Shall I call next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Keshav.
Keshav. 3D Keshav.
Keshav.
Please, children, can you come soon, Keshav?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Keshav. Yes, Keshav.
Yes.
Get me question now. We multiply by number by 1. What will be the product?
3.
Mul- Wait. We multiply a number by 1. What will be the product?
3.
3. Keshav?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the answer, ma?
3, ma'am.
Any number multiplied by the 1. What will be the answer? What will be the product?
Any number
Is it 3?
multiplied by 1, what is the answer? The same number.
Same number, ma'am. Same number.
Same number. Get my question, okay? That is the listening skill. Keshav,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
parents are helping there. Got it? So any number, can you give an example for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me an example. Give an example, Keshav.
The answer, Dakana. Go and don't get the help from your parent.
3.
See the
3
question.
equal 1 equal to 3.
Yes, ma?
Multiplied by 1.
3 multiply 1 equal 3.
Yes. We multiply a number by 1. The product is the same number. That means 3. Okay, Keshav, you have to concentrate in that one. Got it? You're
Yes,
getting from
ma'am.
your parent, but you should go through before enter LSR. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Keshav.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Keshav. The next one,
Sharmita. Thank you, Keshav. Sharmita.
Charmita. 3C Charmita.
Next one, Vaibhav. Who is ready? Sharmita, Vaibhav.
Vaibhav.
Yeah, Vaibhav is coming.
Please,
ma'am.
children, get ready. Vaibhav. Now we are going to the division now. Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes now. Okay, Vaibhav. Division means what? Division. Division means sharing
Repeated
things
subtraction.
into equal parts
Yes.
or equal groups. Got it? Got it? Yes, the next. Can you wait, ma? What are the terms we used in the division? Can I please wait and give me the answer for that? What are the terms we used in division?
Vaibhav.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaibhav? Yes, ma. What are the terms we used in division? What are the terms?
3 terms.
Okay, just get now. Janvi? See, Janvi is there. Yes, Janvi. What are the terms we used in division?
Shall I call Prakati, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Prakati.
Prakati? 3D Prakati?
Is not good. Shahid.
Ma'am, Pranavi.
Okay, yes. Pranavi, come. Pranavi, give the
Pranavi?
answer for that. Pranavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pranavi, can you give the answer for that? What are the terms we used in the division?
Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, I'll give that an example. 12 divided by 1 equals to 12. So just can you give what are the dividend, what are the divisor, which one is the quotient and remainder?
Ma'am, I
Pranavi?
can't understand.
12 divided by 1. Got it? Equals to 12. So now from this you have to identify which one is the dividend, which one is the divisor, which one is the quotient, what is the remainder. 12 divided by 1 I said. Very good. Tell me.
12 is the dividend, ma'am.
Very good.
1 is the divisor.
Very good.
And 12 is the
Equals-
quotient.
Very good. Then remainder. Is there any remainder in that? No, 0 only.
No, ma'am.
Got it? Okay, very good, Pranavi. Thank you, Kana. Can you mute now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
The next
Shahid.
one, after finish it up, we'll go for the Shahid. Who's ma'am?
Shahid.
Shahid? Yes, Shahid? Shahid, get my question now.
Ma'am.
Shahid? Yes. 45 divided by 45 equals to 1. What sort of property is this? Shahid? Ma'am, Shahid is there?
No, ma'am, he went, ma'am.
Shahid?
No, ma'am, he is not there. Okay, I
Okay,
will call.
we have-
Who is that MVM 3C?
That is Shahid only.
No, ma'am, Shahid is one more device. MVM 3C.
Akash.
Okay, I will call the next one. Magisha.
Magisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Magisha? 45 divided by 45 equals to 1. 87 divided... Magisha, are you getting my question now? Magisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. 87 divided by 87 equals to 1. The next one, 45 divided by 45 equals to 1. What sort of property is this?
Yes, ma'am. 45.
Yes, Kanna. What sort of property is that? 87 divided by 87, we got the
1.
quotient 1. The same way, 45 divided by 45, quotient 1. What sort of property is that?
1.
When the number is divided by itself with the same number, the quotient is what? What, Magisha?
Same number, ma'am.
What is the quotient?
1.
Very good one. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Okay, Kana, can you mute now?
Mitravinda 3D.
Mitravinda?
Next one,
Mitravinda?
Michael.
Michael?
Yes,
Michael?
Are you ready?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now?
Mitravinda.
Mitravinda. Okay, now? Mitravinda, get my question? Hello? 60
Yes,
cherries can
Mitravinda.
be shared equal. 60 cherries can be shared equally amongst 5 people. Is this true or false? 60 cherries can be shared equally amongst 5 people. Is this true or false?
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Yes, ma. 60 cherries are there. So how can we going to share them in equal in 5 people? Is it possible for us to make equal sharing among 5?
No, ma'am. False.
How?
Say the 5 tables, Takana. Mitravinda, say the
Yes,
5
ma.
tables.
5 ones are
Try to say the 5 table. Just find out.
Say the 5 tables.
5 ones are 5
Hmm.
ones are
What happened? 5 tables.
Is this true or false?
true.
Ma, tables is much more important for doing not only multiplication, division, fraction, everything. Tables is much more important. We keep on ask us to recitate that one. High table is easiest one. Mitravinda,
Yes, ma'am.
what
Okay,
happened?
Michael is ready, ma'am. Michael.
Michael, Michael, are you ready?
Thank you,
Michael,
Mitravinda. Michael.
okay, Ridushna, Michael, are you ready, Michael?
Yes, ma'am.
Michael, yes, Michael. 60 cherries can be shared equally amongst 5 people. Is it true or false? Do you know the 5 table?
Yes, ma'am.
Michael, can you restate the 5 table? If you know the answer, can you give me? Is it true or false? Yes.
5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25.
Hmm.
Stuck.
5 6
What
are.
happened?
He went, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Girish Raghavendra. Girish Raghavendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Girish. Yes, Girish. Can you tell me that 60 cherries can be shared equally among 5 people? Is it true or false?
Yes, ma'am. True, ma'am.
Is it true or false? Is it true?
Ma'am.
So each people get how many cherries?
12,
Is it
12,
true?
ma'am.
12. So we have to recitate the table. Find
Okay.
in which number that we are getting 60.
12, ma'am.
5
12
12s are very good. 12. So by this way only that we have to share them equally to the given groups.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Girish. Thank you, Kana. Can you mute now?
Mahati.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahati? Mahati?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Mahati? Yes, ma'am. Listen now. Division is an equal distribution or sharing of things. Is it true or false?
True, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Division is equal sharing. Now tell me, 27 beads can be put equally into 6 jars. Is this true or false? 27 beads can be put equally into. Very good. Why you said false is that? Remaining is there?
1.
How many beads are remaining there?
1, ma'am.
Is it 1? Can you say the 6 table?
6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36.
Wait. 6 fours are 24 you said, isn't it? So there are 27 beads are there. So how much that there are remaining? That means
3.
how much? Yes. So there are 3 beads are remaining. Got it? By this way only you have to find the remaining. Got it, Mahati? Thank you, Kanna.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Meenaja,
Meenaja?
Magasweta,
Yes, ma'am.
get ready.
Yes, ma, can you come soon now?
Yes, ma'am.
Meenaja? 0
Yes, ma'am.
divided by 17.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Meenaja. 0 divided by 17. So what is the quotient?
0.
Yes. What sort of property is that? What sort of property, ma? Meenaja?
Any number, 0 properties.
Okay. So when 0 is divided by a number, the quotient is 0 only. Okay, very good, Meenaja. Can you mute now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Shahid. Okay, Shahid is there. Shahid. Shahid. I've seen Shahid there. Yes,
Ma'am.
also. Shahid. Are you there, Shahid?
Ma'am.
Shall I ask? Yes, Shahid. Shall I
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
question now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What is repeated subtraction? What is repeated subtraction? What is the repeated subtraction? Repeated subtraction in division, isn't it? So how we used to do that one? Shahid, do you know or not? Yes. Shahid? So repeated subtraction means take away the given divisor from the whole number repeatedly. That shows that repeated subtraction. So how will you find the answer for the repeated subtraction? Okay, Shahid, ma'am, can you call anyone at last?
Yes, ma'am. Magasweta, ma'am. Magasweta.
Mahasweta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mahasweta. Okay, how will you find the answer for the repeated subtraction?
Division,
Mahasweta,
ma'am.
you know the repeated subtraction. We have to keep on subtract the
Yes,
given
ma'am.
divisor from the given number. So now how will you find the answer in repeated subtraction? What we have to track?
Counting.
Yes, very good. What we have to count? Very good. Your
Subtraction.
answer is correct. Yes. So we have to track how many times to subtract to get 0 or less than the divisor. So that number, that last number where we are getting the
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
that number only we have to get as an answer in the repeated subtraction. Very good, Mahasweta. Okay, Kanna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Litika.
Ma'am, is that time? Litika.
Yes, ma'am. Litika, thank you, Magasweta. Yes. Litika.
Yes, Litika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Litika. 7 sevens are. 7 sevens are. Find the product. 7 sevens are. What will be the product?
49, ma'am.
Very good. 5 fives are.
Ma'am,
5 fives are.
25. 25.
Very good. 3 twos are.
6.
9 nines are.
Helping. Litika, who is helping?
81.
Helping your brother, isn't it?
Who's helping Litika? Litika, is there anyone helping you? Litika, okay, the class you have to tell me that 8 eights are. Litika. Yes, ma'am. The next one, ma'am. The last one.
Lakshay.
Lakshay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Lakshay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Lakshay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Lakshay. Yes, Lakshay. Get my question now. From the division facts, we can find what facts? From the division facts, we can find dash facts.
Multiply facts.
Multiplication facts. Very good, Lakshay. Shall I ask you only one question in that? Okay. Now I'm going to give the division fact. Okay. Will you give me at least one multiplication fact? Shall I ask you now, my dear? Yes, Lakshay.
Yes, ma'am.
10 divided by 1 equals to 10. This is the division fact. Find the multiplication fact.
10 ones are 10.
Very good. Again, 1 tens are 10. Very good, Lakshay. Superb.
The last one. Yes, ma'am. The last one. That day she couldn't hear that. Yeah, Shamil.
Oh, who's that?
Shamil.
Shamil. Okay, Shamil. Yes, Shamil.
Something is here, ma'am.
Yes, Shamil. Okay, now I'm going to give the multiplication fact. You have to give me the division fact now.
Okay,
Listen, Mike. Okay. 3 nines are 27. Can you give me the division fact?
3 9 are 27.
7. That is the multiplication fact I've given. Now you have to find the division fact for that.
Division fact
To
means
find the
which
division-
number should come first?
First number, ma'am.
Yes, give me that one because I've given 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. Now you have to easily find the division fact from that. Shamil.
Ma'am.
So now you got
Yes,
the
Bring the total number first.
So what is the product I've given there? 27. So from that you have to easily find 27
7.
and
Division fact means you
divided
have
by
to put the division symbol.
division symbol.
Sigma.
Ma'am.
Simple
Yes.
one. 27. Try
Divided
Shamil.
by 27 divided by
27 divided by
ma'am has given the answer.
3, ma'am.
3 equals to
Fact can change
What
it
is
as
the
a
quotient?
division factors.
so another factor is 9. So by this way only that we have to find the division fact from the multiplication facts. Okay. So go through well for your exam. So children, you have to go through your book classwork as well as your workbook also. So well prepared for your exam. Thank you children. Jai Gurudev.
I think we have completed.
Ma'am.